Hi guys. What if today was the day that changed everything for you? Imagine just for a moment that you could break free from the cycle you have been always stuck in, working hard but never truly building wealth. Most of us grow up hearing about getting good grades, finding a stable job, and following the rules. But what if the real key to success lies outside the comfort zone? It's time to wake up. The future you've always been dreamed of doesn't come from routine. It comes from financial intelligence. Yes, you heard it right. Financial intelligence. You don't need to be born rich to live a life of abundance. The truth is, the rich don't just work for money. They don't just work for money, they just make money work for them. So, why is the financial education not taught in schools or colleges? It's because most people are content with following a predictable path. But you have the potential to be so much more. You just need to learn how to play the game financially. That's it. It's all about knowledge, and once you unlock that, you are unstoppable. Think about this. What does your future look like if you continue following the same path again and again, and another year, the same paycheck, and the same goal, and the same desire to accomplish? That's a huge myth, right? So we has to follow the same routine again and again. It's the endless 9 to 5 grind again and again. Deep down, this isn't just a life that we want. Actually, this isn't just a life we also want, and this isn't just a life you also want. You want freedom, freedom to decide what your days look like, to work when you want, and think about like when you are waking up, no one to push you to work, go for work, and know your days will be so pleasant. Deep down, this is the life you want to live. Freedom to decide what your days look like, to work when you want, and to make your own decision. But to get there, you need to step outside of the normal cycle and learn the financial strategies that the wealthy know. Now is your time to break free. Misconception. The biggest misconception that financial education is only for wealthy, is it? Financial intelligence is for everyone. It's just that the wealthy have learned the rules of the game. They understand the investments, money flow, and how to create passive income streams. The secret is how you don't need millions to start. You don't actually need the right knowledge and the right time and the right person. And today, that knowledge is in your hand. The time to dream is over. So it's actually too boring, right? The time is to dream every day, but not doing into the action. So you just stop dream, and it's time to act. You dream more, but you have to make the dream into action. Financial success doesn't come from waiting for the right moment. It comes from taking the first step now. The future you desire is not a fantasy. It's within a reach, a step forward. You already have the power to change your life, to break free from the ordinary, and to create the life you always wanted. It starts with knowledge, it starts with action. Just start now. Push yourself and start now. So, are you ready to change your life? The truth is this. Yes, this is your moment. The information you need is all around you. Is all around you. So you can see the YouTube and social medias. If you go and surf over there, daily one or more contents you can pass by seeing. Some people will be teaching financial stuffs, and you don't want to get into there because you don't know the taste of financial intelligence. If you know the taste, if you tasted the financial intelligence, then you don't go for the 9 to 5 cycle again. Okay, just kidding. So, but 9 to 5 is important when it is also a source of income. If you wanted to make as a one source of income and you want to make further passives, then it is actually an important one. Okay, the information you need is all around you, waiting for you to take the first step. Don't let the future pass you by because you didn't act today. Start learning, start growing yourself, start grooming. The road to financial freedom starts now. Will you take it? Till then, happy learning, guys. Enjoy your life, taste every moment, and be financially intelligent.